Servicing the cooling system begins with testing the coolant. Use a multi-coolant test strip to check the condition of the coolant or test with a coolant refractometer. When testing, both freeze point and pH should be in the normal range. If not, a coolant service should be suggested. Completing a Penray 1102 cooling system service begins by connecting the coolant exchanger to the vehicle in line with the upper radiator hose. Next, add Penray 1212 Cool Prep cooling system cleaner by pouring it into the disconnected upper radiator hose. Connect the flush loop hose. And run the vehicle for about 10 minutes, allowing the flushing solution to break down and to suspend rust and scale. With the flushing step completed, connect the exchange machine to the vehicle. The vehicle exchange will be hot. Using protective gloves when performing this function is recommended. Connect the red hose towards the block and the black hose towards the radiator. Clamp off any overflow hoses. If the system has an integrated reservoir, clamp off all hoses connected to the reservoir. Select the flush mode and coolant source and start the exchange. Set the pump and vacuum buttons to on. The exchange machine will pump new fluid into the cooling system in reverse of the normal coolant flow while removing old fluid, contamination, and any air that's in the system. In this way, the thermostat is held open to exchange virtually all the fluid. When completed, disconnect the equipment. Top off the coolant reservoir and add Penray 1112 CoolTech 2 cooling system treatment. This important step provides corrosion protection and is compatible with all coolant and makes and models. Do a final test drive of the vehicle to ensure it runs properly after service. Check the coolant level after the test drive. To summarize, this process has completely flushed and conditioned the cooling system. The key benefits of the cooling system services are: safely cleans entire cooling system, eliminates overheating and scale buildup, inhibits rust and scale formation, improves heat transfer, and offers a better protection of internal parts.